all the procrastinators, all the excuse makers. This video is specially designed for you. Let's get fluent before 2026. Stop procrastinating. Stop giving excuses. It's now or never. Let's start. Ayo Ram, can I tell you something honestly? This year is ending so fast, and I feel like my English hasn't moved even one step forward. Sometimes I feel like motivated, but most days I feel lost. I want to speak fluently before 2026, but I have no clue where to begin. I'm scared. I will fail again.
Ramanna, I understand. Every learner goes through these emotions, but the fact that you want to change, that's already your first victory. Today, I will give you a step by step 90-minute plan, one step at a time. Crystal clear, zero confusion. Let's take the bull by its horns and begin. The first step is listening for 15 minutes. This is the foundation of everything. Before speaking, the brain needs inputs. Listening plants the seeds of fluency.
But Ram, only 15 minutes? Is that really enough to improve? And what should I even listen to? Some videos feel too fast, some too boring. And after a long day, my brain feels completely blank.
I get you, bro. When I started, I felt the same. My brain used to shut down too. But listening is like watering a plant. Small daily drops create big growth. Choose simple content like slow stories, easy motivational clips, English vlogs, beginner English channels. And if you are a working professional, use your travel time, your waiting time, and your lunch break. Make hay while the sun shines. Slow and steady wins the race. And this one habit will kill two birds with one stone. Your understanding and your speaking will improve together.
Hmm, I never saw listening like this. I always treated it like a boring task. But now I understand why my English wasn't improving. This feels simple enough to start immediately.
Now, step 2, shadowing for 20 minutes. This is where real fluency begins.
Ram, what exactly is shadowing? How do I do it properly? Is it really effective? Someone told me to use shadowing technique, but I don't know anything about that. Please explain, Ram.
Shadowing means speaking along with the speaker, like their echo. They speak, you speak. They pause, you pause. They laugh, you laugh. It feels tough in the beginning, but Rome wasn't built in a day. Perform the following steps. First, pick a short 2-3 minute video. Second, play it. Third, repeat with them. Fourth, don't worry if you lag behind. Fifth, repeat again. These steps will push you out of your comfort zone. And that's where growth happens. Go the extra mile. You will see magic.
Okay, this gives me hope. Till now, I didn't know anything about shadowing, but now I understood the technique and the process. It feels challenging, but also exciting in a strange way. I think I can try it with a fresh mindset. And Ram, I will copy you only.
Next step is reading for 15 minutes. This step improves vocabulary, focus, and sentence structure.
Reading? How will reading help me speak better? Will it actually improve my spoken English? Because honestly, I lose interest while reading English.
Reading is like exercise for your brain. It sharpens your thinking. It improves your concentration. It gives you ideas to speak. Read simple things like kids' books, short stories, easy blogs, small articles, and inspirational pages. Underline new words and use them in your self talk later. You kill two birds with one stone, knowledge and fluency.
Now I understood. I always thought reading was for grammar students. But the way you explained it, I actually picture myself doing this. It feels gentle, not scary.
Step 4. Writing for 15 minutes.
What, Ram? I'm asking you about speaking, and you are telling me about reading and writing? Will writing improve my spoken English skills? What should I write? I forget everything I write.
Writing is not for memory, it's for clarity. Write simple things like your day, new vocabulary, what you listened, what you read, your thoughts, your feelings. Writing organizes your mind. It slows your thoughts. It strengthens your English foundation brick by brick. This is how champions are built.
Okay, this actually feels peaceful. Writing might help me control my thoughts. Maybe this is what I needed all along. I feel like this step will help me deeply.
Next step, self talk for 15 minutes.
Self talk? Ram, I already talk to myself all day. So, how will this help? What's new with this? Won't I feel silly?
You already talk to yourself, but mostly in your native language. And most of the time, it turns negative. Now flip the script. From today, talk in English, talk positive, talk about your daily life, and talk non-stop. Positive self-talk, use all day. Say to yourself, I'm improving every single day. My English is getting stronger. I can do this. I was born for this. My mind is sharp. My tongue is ready. My confidence is booming. English fluency, self talk. Talk about daily life. Say while doing small tasks. I'm walking to the kitchen. Let me make some tea. I'm washing my face. I'm getting ready for the day. I'm opening the window. Wow, the weather feels good today. Let me check my phone. Okay, it's time to work. I'm organizing my desk. I'm cooking lunch. I'm cutting vegetables. I'm stirring the pan. Now I'm taking a break. I deserve it. I'm learning new words. I'm becoming fluent. Talking about your routine forces you to think in English. Combined power self talk, mixed positivity plus fluency. Use two-in-one lines like these. I'm walking to the market and I'm confident today. I'm making tea and I'm getting better at English every minute. I'm getting ready and I know I can speak fluently. I'm cooking food and my mind is growing stronger. I'm relaxing and I'm proud of my progress. Why this works? Self talk built fluency faster than anything. You create your own environment. Your brain starts thinking in English automatically. Do it while walking, cooking, showering, anywhere. Go mad because mad learners create history.
Ram, this hit me hard. I actually talk negatively to myself all day. Maybe speaking in English 24 by 7 and positively will change my inner voice too. This step feels powerful.
Final step, recording for 10 minutes.
Recording? Is 10 minutes really enough? Should I record audio or video? What will I gain from this? And why do I have to watch myself again? It feels so awkward, Ram.
Recording is the mirror of your English. You can't fix what you can't see. Record both audio and video on alternate days. Watch or listen multiple times. Notice your pronunciation, your confidence, your clarity, your speed, your pauses, your expressions, your energy. Shadow your own recording. Practice in front of a mirror. Mark mistakes and fix them next day. Compare day 1 and day 7. You will be shocked. No pain, no gain. These steps build real confidence.
Ayyo, Ram, this scares me the most, but also gives me the most hope. Maybe facing myself is the step I have been avoiding all my life. I feel nervous, but also strangely excited to try this.
Ramanna, let me tell you the truth. In these 30 days, you will not become perfectly fluent, but something far more powerful will happen. You will gain confidence. Your fear will break. Your vocabulary will grow. Your mindset will transform. Your journey will finally begin. Fluency is not magic, it's momentum. When a rocket launches, it uses maximum force in the beginning. But once it crosses the atmosphere, everything becomes effortless. Right now, I'm giving you that launching power. These 30 days will push you beyond your hesitation, beyond your excuses, beyond your limits, beyond your threshold. And once you cross your threshold, you will experience a new life, life beyond threshold. 2026 won't change you. You will change before 2026. This video was specially designed for the beginners who are continuously procrastinating. If you are an intermediate speaker or if you are an advanced speaker, then do watch my conversation video with Titus Sir. He has given really powerful tips and techniques to level up your English. The link is available in the description. If you enjoyed this video, then like, comment, share and subscribe to support this channel.